Namaskar everyone, I am Desai from Neura Global Kids. Welcome you to our class. First of all, we do the prayer. Let's start, kids. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति। Rub your palm, kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Now today we are going to start our class. Now tell me what we are learning in the last video, kids. See? Okay kids, in the last video we learn which sign is this? ये किसकी साइन है? Yes, this is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction, right? This is the sign of subtraction. And what we have to do in the subtraction? We take away the things. Okay? We do take away. हम subtraction में क्या करते हैं? Take away. And when we take away something, we get लेस थिंग्स। जब भी हम टेक अवे करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? लेस थिंग्स और स्मॉल नंबर ओके किड्स, मीन्स whenever we do subtraction, we do the take away from the given things and we get the less things. जब हम subtraction करते हैं तो हमें कैसे थिंग्स मिलती है? लेस थिंग्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have 5 balls. And if I subtract 2 balls, means if I take away 2 balls, how many balls remaining for me, kids? 1, 2 and 3. Means ये क्या हुआ? 5 से 3 हो गया, मतलब small number हो गया. 5 is a big number and 3 is a small number. Means whenever we do the subtraction, we get less things or smaller number. Now let's start our today's classwork, kids. Okay kids, now let's see our today's classwork. Be ready with the pencil and eraser. This is classwork and date. Picture subtraction. Here we are going to learn picture subtraction. And this is your worksheet, page number 28. So please open page number 28 and start doing with me. Now let us count how many caps are here. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 caps. And how many caps we have to take away? Subtraction sign, right? This is the sign of subtraction, minus. How many caps we have to take away? 4 caps. So we have to subtract 4 caps. Okay, we have to take away from the last. हम last से take away करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count remaining caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now today we have only 5 caps remaining. Right kids? go to the next. These are fishes. Let us count how many fish. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the aquarium there are 5 fishes. And how many we have to take away? 1. So we have to take away from the last. And 1 fish is taking away. Now let's count how many remaining. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have only now 4 fishes in the aquarium. Oh, this is the clock. These are clocks. Let's count how many clocks are in the shop. ये जो है वो clock की shop है. उसमें कितनी clock है shop के अंदर? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 clocks in the shops. And one man is coming and buy the shops. How many? 6. He buys 6 clocks from the shop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now how many clocks are remaining in the shop? There are no clocks in the shop, means 0. 6 थे, उसमें से 6 टेक अवे कर दिए, तो कितने बचे? 0. Right? Here is the, if we take away same number, if we subtract same number, we get 0. If we subtract same number, we get 0. Let's go to the next, kids. How many balls are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 balls. There are 7 balls. How many we have to take away? This is the sign of subtraction. How many balls we have to take away? 3 balls. We take away from the last. 1, 2, 3. So now how many balls remaining? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 balls are remaining. So we have to write the answer 4. This is the jug. How many jugs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many jugs are here? There are 6 jugs. Okay, and how many subtract? How many take away? 5 jugs we have to take away. Let's take away from the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay kids, and how many remaining? There are only 1 jug is remaining. So we have to write now 1. After that, how many apples are there? There are 2 apples. It is healthy fruit. It is healthy fruits. Do you know? We must say eat apple in a day. And eat apple in a day. It's a keep doctor away. मतलब अगर हम रोज का एक एप्पल खाते हैं तो हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ओके, तो देयर आर 2 एप्पल्स. बट जो एक बच्चा था ना, वो तो एप्पल्स खा ही नहीं रहा था. मीन्स उसने कोई भी एप्पल नहीं खाया. 0 एप्पल. मतलब हमें यहाँ पे कोई सब्ट्रैक्ट करना ही नहीं है. तो कितने बचेंगे? 1, 2. ये बच्चे ने तो एप्पल खाया ही नहीं, तो कितने बच गए? 2. राइट? So this is your today's class work. What we have to do? Take away, because this is the sign of subtraction. Okay kids? Now let's see what is our today's homework. Okay kids, so this is your today's class work in your worksheet. First of all, you have to write class work and then after write the homework. Okay, so here as we do in the blackboard, first I do for you, then after you have to done by your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 caps. And how many we have to take away? 4. So let's take away from the last. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now how many caps are remaining? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have to write 5. Okay. So this is your today's class work. Now let's solve the yesterday's homework. अब हम यहाँ पे कल लास्ट का जो होमवर्क है वो सॉल्व करेंगे। एज यू डू द होमवर्क 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 minus 3, here we have to 1 2 and 3, so we have to write here 3. Then after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 minus 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so here we have to write 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 3, so we have to take away from the last 1 2 3, 8 minus 3, let's count how many remaining, 1 2 3 4 5, so here we have to write 5. Now how many honeybees are here? Is an empty place, so please write down there 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6. And how many we have to take away? 1, here we are going to write 5, so how many we have to take away? 1 2 3 4 5, how many remaining? Only 1. तो ये हो गया हमारा लास्ट वीडियो का होमवर्क का सॉल्यूशन. Now let's see our today's homework. Let's see our today's homework. Our today's homework is in page number 27. Our today's homework is in the page number 27. Here are birds. How many birds are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And how many birds we have to take away? 4 birds. We take away from the last. 1 2 3 4. How many remainings? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 birds are remaining. After that, these are strawberries. How many strawberries are there? 9 strawberries. And how many take away? 2. अब उनको रिमेनिंग स्ट्रॉबेरी को काउंट करके आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. देन आफ्टर, हाउ मेनी जग्स आर हियर? देर आर, these are flower vase. There are 3 flower vase here. How many we have to take away? 1. So here I take away 1. Now you have to count how many remaining and write the answer here. Then after, there are 8 apples. 8 apples. Okay, and how many we have to remaining? How many we have to take away? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पे जो बच्चे थे उन्होंने 5 बच्चे ने एप्पल्स खा लिए. Then how many remainings? Count and write down here, kids. So this is your today's homework and this is your today's class work in page number 28. Okay kids, so today what we are going to learn? Yes, today we learn subtraction. What we are learn today? Subtraction. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus. The sign of subtraction is minus. And what we have to do here? Take away. क्या करना है हमें यहाँ पे? Take away. Okay. And when we take away, we get less things. When we do take away, we get less things or small number. या तो अगर numbers है तो हमें क्या मिलता है? Small number मिलता है ना? So today we learn subtraction. The sign of subtraction is minus. We have to do take away in the subtraction and get less things in the subtraction or small numbers. Now let's see our today's class work and homework, kids. Our today's classwork and homework is page number 28 in the worksheet. Our classwork is page number 28 in the worksheet, and our homework is page number 27 in the worksheet, and our homework is page number 27 in the worksheet. I hope you understand this topic very well, kids. Thank you everyone. Bye.